With our new digital clocks, released in early 2020, we've made installation easier than ever with our new mounting bracket. This bracket is compatible with American Time surface mount digital clocks, both 4- and 6-digit styles. The mounting holes are the same distance apart on all of our digital clocks. Now let's see how easy it is to mount this clock. You can mount the bracket to a variety of back boxes. The bracket offers several holes that you can use to mount the bracket to the back box. If you're not using a back box, you can simply mount the bracket directly to the wall. After mounting your bracket, make sure to connect your digital clock to a power source. Next, center the clock on the bracket. Tilt the clock away from the top of the bracket so the pegs are visible. Gently touch the wall with the bottom of the clock, like this. Slide the clock up until the mounting spring catches the bottom of the clock. Then simply tilt the top of the clock over the visible pegs. Check to ensure the clock is secure and it won't fall off the bracket in case it's jostled or bumped. To remove the clock from the installation bracket, simply lift the clock and gently pull it towards you. If you have questions about your digital clock installation, please connect with us on our website. For more information, visit american-time.com or call 1-800-328-8996.